Now after you put glaze on, you want to have to reprime it anyway. Shoot it with a sealer. I have sealer, I just don't have it with me right now. I'm going to show you the beginning portion. I'm just doing this part. That tape is small and long. So I got that on there. I'm going to let that dry, and then we'll come back and sand it down with some 150. Make it all feathered smooth. Maybe put on another coat in some lower areas. So now my putty's dried up. I got a fresher piece of 150, and we're going to sand that down, level it out, and see if there's any more metal popping up, or any more low areas. I did do some more sanding while I was waiting for it to dry, because you really got to multitask if you're doing this job like this one. Don't just stand around and wait for this to dry. Do something else. Okay. Put my dust mask back on. Start sanding this down. You exit that in, same as the other side, from good metal to good metal. I could use a DA to level it down, but can't beat it by hand. A little bit better. You can see like it filled in some areas. There's still metal coming up. It's just probably like a hot spot because I didn't hit the dent out too good or something. It probably needs to be tapped down a little bit more. Put another coat on it. We're gonna be done with it. So now we're gonna have to actually, it feels pretty level. I think that was just where it was low. So, yeah. Forgot to do one more thing. I wanted to show you it after the second coat of surfacer, primer surfacer. I just used the SEM stuff again. I emptied the can on it. So what was left of it from when I did the bumper over there. I just blew in some spots on that today too. So here you go. As you can see, here's the body line. You can see I shaped that out of filler. It's like, I see a little bit of a flatness right here. I gotta sand it a little bit more. Like, I don't know if you can see that flat line right there, but just needs a little bit more sanding. Just a little bit more shape work, and it should be ready. Probably just looking at gray. So there you go. Finished after second coat of primer.